From the first video, you can see that this is the area of where the square is. And this has been around since 2008 when we first opened Jaya One. This whole area was phase 1 of Jaya One. And then in 2015 we completed our new phase called the School 129 office and the condominium, known as the residence. So the square essentially was made out of sort of 8 units of bungalow, which you can clearly see here. There's bungalow number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then an extra block here, which is where the theatre used to be, well, still is, known as PG Live Arts, a 450-seat theatre. So these 2-story bungalows together with PG Live Arts Theatre actually makes up for what the square is. One of the key challenges of the square that has been in the past, it's incredibly inflexible to what sort of tenants and new dining needs. Well, here's a view making its approach towards the square, and clearly you will see this is what it used to be for our visitors and guests and customers who've been to Jaya One. I think this is something that you're familiar with. Interestingly, you can actually see the Brussels signs on the far sort of right-hand corner, that column over there. So this is what the square used to be, and something that everyone used to be familiar, and this idea of this 2-story bungalow is quite evidently described here. So responding to these changes is happening around Jaya One, also looking at what has been sort of dining sort of trends moving forward. It kind of pushed us about 2-3 years ago, kind of looking at the square and kind of thought to ourselves, maybe it's time we need to change. Maybe it's time we need to rethink what should happen in the square, and what sort of new communities that we'll want to bring into this place. And then also, by looking at the square in terms of its new approach, a lot of centralized infrastructures from gas to water, air conditioning, and also sizing up our electricity provisions. So one of our first sort of objective when looking at redesigning the square is this restaurant today is a Japanese restaurant, and tomorrow it will be a fast food, or the following day it is a smaller ice cream parlor. All this will be flexible to change.